Hello traders, welcome to Level 1 FX YouTube channel. Today is my first video on YouTube and I'm very excited to share my 8 years experience in the Forex market. Today's video is gonna be about a recent trade I took on EuroCAD and I'm excited to show you how I trade. As I said, I have 8 years experience in the Forex market. And today's video is gonna be about a trade I took recently with the EuroCAD. My strategy is supply and demand, smart money concept, liquidity, whatever you want to call it. But as far as I know, the economic world runs on supply and demand. That is the basic terms in economic, supply and demand. So my strategy is supply and demand combined with some liquidity and price action. And my strategy is very simple. I don't put any lagging indicators, trend lines, Fibonacci's, nothing I'm putting on there. It's just clean chart. So price action analysis with key supply and demand levels with some liquidity. And of course, I always look at the higher time frame first to determine the longer term trend. So guys, let me start and show you the trade I took on EuroCAD. Let me get the EuroCAD on the chart. We already have it. That's nice. And I want to remove this one. And as I said, I start with the higher time frame. So what I did is I went on the weekly chart like this. And as you can see, we have drawn a box on this weekly supply level here. As you can see, we have a supply level here on the weekly. And when price went into that weekly supply level, I knew immediately that we have shorting opportunities right here. So what I did, I went on the 4 hour. I think it was 1 hour. After that, let me scroll out. As you can see, price here went deeply into the weekly supply zone, and after that it dropped from here all the way down to here. So after that, what I wanted to find is lower time frame supply level where I can trade off. So what I did, I found a very strong supply level on the 1 hour chart. As you can see here, we have a supply zone on the 1 hour chart, and it dropped very strong from the supply zone. So it looks very good with the nice structure. And as you can see, the 1 hour is inside the weekly supply zone. So after that, when price tapped into the 1 hour supply zone, we wanted to go on the lower time frame for entry. So what I did here is, first of all, let me make the 1 hour supply zone another color so you can see it. And my MetaTrader is making some noises. Let me remove it. One moment. I will remove my MetaTrader so it doesn't disturb us. Just like that. And we are back on the chart. Sorry for that. So yeah, let me make this 1 hour supply zone another color so you can see it right there. Okay guys, so first of all, as you can see here, price didn't reach the 1 hour supply zone and it dropped very quickly. This is evidence, or our price indicates to us that this 1 hour supply zone is very strong. But what I call this behavior right here, it didn't even reach the 1 hour supply zone, I call it early sellers, and there lays a lot of liquidity above here. So let me draw this one like this, and as you can see, a lot of retail traders sold very early here and put their stop loss right above, and this is where liquidity happens. So I waited patiently to price pull back again into the 1 hour supply zone, and as you can see, it did right here. It broke this level right here and took out liquidity and a lot of stop losses, and after that it tapped into the 1 hour supply zone, and as you can see, it fell down very far away from the 1 hour supply. So this is where, when price tapped into the 1 hour supply zone, this is where we wanted to go to 15 minutes or 10 minutes to look for an entry. So I think it was on 15 minutes. So let us go there. So as you can see right here, this is where the early sellers were on the 1 hour supply zone right here, and as you can see, price tapped into the 1 hour supply zone here and immediately reversed, and a new supply zone was created right here. So I put that box on the 15-minute supply zone right here, and my entry sell limit was right here, and of course my stop loss above the level like that, and my target was below this low here, as you can see, this low, because we have liquidity down there. So my target was like that. You can see I made around 1 to 7 risk to reward, and this is a very low risk and high reward trade, and that's the way we want to trade to survive in the longer term in the trading business. Low risk and high reward. So this is the 15-minute supply I took and our entry, and as you can see, before price tapped into the 15 minutes supply zone here, what it did right here, it didn't even reach the 15 minutes supply zone here, and it dropped very quickly. So again, this is early sellers again right here. A lot of people sell here and put their stop losses right into the smart money sell orders. So as you can see, this is the same concept right here. Again, this is a evidence for this supply zone is very strong, because it didn't even reach the supply zone and it dropped very quickly. But this is what we call liquidity, early sellers, and a lot of retail traders, they sell immediately here and put their stop losses. Then they create liquidity for the smart money to sell right into their big orders. And as you can see, price broke this one, and when it broke, it tapped into the 15-minute supply zone and it dropped very quickly. So this is how I trade supply and demand combined with price action and liquidity. So that's it for today, guys, and thank you for watching. And if you like this video and you want me to make more videos for you guys, so then you can subscribe and like the video. And thank you for watching. Have a good day.